Hi, thank you for visiting my channel today. I am Sue with Creations by Sue, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to stitch this name on this towel or a towel like this with my PR1055X Brother 10 needle embroidery machine. In a previous video I demonstrated how to put this design into Embrilliance software. Alright, and I'll be using the Mighty Hoop today on the machine, and I will be centering the design myself. I will not be using the camera. Alright, so let's get started. Here I am at the machine, and I've got the towel hooped in an 8x13 Mighty Hoop. I originally stated in the Embrilliance video that I'd be doing it on a smaller hoop, but I changed my mind, and I want to do it on this larger hoop because the design is almost 8 inches across. So I'm using the 13-inch across hoop to be safe, and I'm putting the design on the width of the towel. I've got the snowman sticker positioned down here ready to go, but I'm just going to use that as my positioning sticker. I'm not going to actually use the camera in this video. Alright, so I'm going to pull up the design, bottom left, second icon in. There is my design, Ashley. I'll press set, and now I want to rotate it so it goes across the bottom. And I'll rotate it to the right. So there is Ashley set to go. Press edit end, and now I want to move my machine to that sticker, so manually. So I'm going to just press this to move the Ashley down and over. And that looks pretty good. I'll just test it. I think I have to go over a couple more. There we go. All right, and then next, probably one more. I want to make sure that it is going to stitch within the hoop. So I'm sorry, I pressed that really fast. So I'm going to go the third from the left, the 2 needles, press that, press the top. That looks good. It's not going to hit the hoop. And that looks good. And then this is good. And that looks very good. All right, bring it back to the center and then press OK. And I am going to now, we're ready to go. So before I press embroidery, I'm just going to put on the water soluble stabilizer on top, which I use the Sulky Solvi stabilizer. So I can remove my sticker, but I want to make sure that I'm on top of this in a good spot so that the stitching will be on top of that stabilizer. And I will just pin that on real quick. The reason I pinned it on instead of taped it on is because you will see right here on the back of that sticker, it did pull some of the towel out with it. So fair warning to you and me, I probably wouldn't use these stickers too much on towels because it can take some of the towel with it. And I didn't want that to happen if I taped over here. And I'll just check again to make sure those pins are not going to be in the stitch field. That looks good. And that looks good. So there we go. So now I will go ahead and stitch this. Press OK and embroidery. And I'm going to be, what I do need to do, because I didn't expect this to happen, I thought I had that all taken care of in software. I'm going to press return, go back to the previous screen, and press this icon right here, the second row, far right. And that will have it stitched in all one color. And I want the color to be needle number 3 because that is where my white thread is. So I press that little icon and press 3 and OK. So I press this fourth from the left icon for that. All right, I will go ahead and have it stitch out, and I will show you the finished product when it's done. Here is the finished design, still in the hoop. I've removed the water-soluble stabilizer so you could see it better, and turned out really nice. Give you a little close-up there. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video and have learned something. If you have any comments or questions, I love to receive those, and I'll answer them as I have time. And please press the subscribe button if you'd like to be notified of future videos. Happy stitching! Bye!